Welcome to this video on hashtags, categorization, and search tags. In this series on computer world terminologies and concepts, we will explore what hashtags are, how they work, and why they have become an essential part of digital communication. By the end of this video, you will understand the power of hashtags in organizing content and connecting people across the internet. A hashtag is the hash symbol, also called £, followed by a keyword or phrase used to categorize and make content searchable and discoverable across digital platforms. The hashtag was first used in August 2007 by Chris Messina on Twitter. He suggested using the hash symbol as a way to group messages by topic, making it easier for users to find conversations about the same subject. This simple but brilliant idea revolutionized how content is organized and discovered online. Hashtags work in 4 main ways. First, they categorize content. When you add a hashtag to a post, you're tagging it with a specific topic or theme. Second, hashtags enable search and discovery. They become clickable links that users can search to find all posts using the same hashtag. Third, hashtags allow people to join conversations. Users can participate in trending topics and connect with broader discussions happening across the platform. Finally, hashtags increase visibility and reach. Content becomes visible beyond your immediate followers, increasing the chances of engagement and discovery by new audiences interested in that topic. Different platforms use hashtags differently. Instagram is the most popular hashtag platform, where posts typically include 8 to 12 hashtags. TikTok uses hashtags to drive the algorithm ranking, with 3 to 5 hashtags per video being most effective. Facebook relies less on hashtags compared to other platforms, usually 1 to 2 per post. Twitter, the original pioneer of hashtags, typically uses 1 to 3 hashtags per tweet. LinkedIn, the professional networking platform, uses 3 to 5 hashtags per post for professional content discovery. Pinterest, which functions as a search-driven discovery engine, uses 5 to 10 hashtags per pin. Understanding these platform differences helps you use hashtags more effectively. Hashtags come in 4 main types. Trending hashtags are popular tags currently gaining traction globally or locally, like hashtag trending or hashtag viral. Niche hashtags are specific to communities, industries, or interests, such as hashtag web design or hashtag vegan food. Branded hashtags are created by companies for campaigns and brand identity, like hashtag JustDoIt or hashtag ShareACoke. Location hashtags are related to geographic areas and places, such as hashtag NYC or hashtag London Life. Each type serves a different purpose in organizing and discovering content. To use hashtags effectively, follow these 4 best practices. First, use relevant and specific hashtags aligned with your content and target audience, not just trending ones that have nothing to do with your post. Second, limit quantity. Less is more when it comes to hashtags. Use 3 to 10 hashtags depending on the platform and avoid hashtag stuffing, which is when you overload a post with too many hashtags. Third, keep hashtags short and memorable. Short hashtags are easier to read, more likely to be searched, and easier for people to share. Finally, research before using a hashtag. Check what it represents and avoid off-brand or controversial hashtags that could damage your reputation or message. Several tools help you track and analyze hashtag performance. Hootsuite is an all-in-one social media management platform that includes hashtag analytics and tracking features. Hashtagify is specifically designed for hashtag research and discovery, showing you related hashtags and trends. Brand24 provides real-time brand monitoring with sentiment analysis and alerts. Sprout Social offers comprehensive social analytics, including hashtag performance tracking. Talkwalker is a social listening platform that tracks hashtags across multiple platforms. Keyhole specializes in hashtag tracking analytics with real-time impact measurement. Using these tools helps you understand which hashtags are working for your content and how to optimize your hashtag strategy for better engagement and reach.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.